Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set recording volume on the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. Here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then tap on audio. And here we have a recording amplifier right here. If we slide it to the right, then the volume of our recordings, so when we send the message, is going to be increased, and if we slide it to the left, it's going to be decreased. And yeah, we have to turn this on for it to function, but that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys.